Your laptop can run Android apps. Yes, but many people don't even know this. In this 2026 guide, I will show you exactly how to install and run Android apps on your Mac and Windows step by step. But before we proceed, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification button. Let's get started. Switching between your phone and computer can be stressful. Using Android apps directly on your computer saves time, improves productivity, and makes multitasking easier. Android emulators create a virtual Android phone inside your computer. Some popular options include BlueStack, NextPlayer, and LD Player. After installing, simply log into your Google account and download apps like you would on your phone. Windows 11 users can install Android apps directly using Windows Subsystem for Android. It integrates apps into your desktop like normal Windows software. Screen mirroring tools lets you control your Android phone from your computer. Apps like Scrappy and Visor mirror your phone in real time. Some Android apps already have powerful web versions. Apps like WhatsApp Web, Instagram Web, and Google Messages can be used directly on your browser. You can remotely access your phone from your computer using apps like AirDroid or TeamViewer Quick Support. Some cloud platforms allows you to stream mobile apps without installing anything locally. This is perfect for low storage computers. Mac users can run Android apps using the official Android emulator from Android Studio. This is great for developers and advanced users. Each method has its advantages. Let's quickly compare all the methods so you can choose the best one for your needs. Android emulators. Example: BlueStacks, Nox, LD Player. They are best for gaming and running heavy apps. Their speed is high and they use virtualization. Their ease of use is medium. They require internet for downloads, and it is safe if downloaded from official sites, and it is great for gamers. Windows Subsystem Android. They are best for native-like experience on Windows. They are very fast in speed. Their internet is required for setup and updates. They are very safe security-wise. Screen mirroring apps like Scrappy, Visor. They are best for messaging, social media, work apps. Their speed is real-time and depends on cable or Wi-Fi. Their ease of use is very easy, and internet is required for USB. They are very safe. Web versions of apps are best for WhatsApp, Instagram, messaging, email. Their speed is very high. They always require internet, and their security depends on the browser. They are free apps. Remote access tools. Example: AirDroid, TeamViewer. They are best for accessing phone when the phone is far away. Their speed is medium. They always require internet. They have strong security encryption, but it is cloud-based. Cloud app streaming tools. are best for low-end computers. Their speed depends on the internet speed. Their system load is very low. They always require internet, and their security depends on the internet provider. Android Studio Emulator. Example, Mac and developers users. They are best for developers and testers. Their speed is medium. They are very hard to use. They need internet for setup, and their security is very slow. Having looked at these methods, this is my recommendation. For gaming, use an emulator. For chatting and productivity, use screen mirroring or web apps. For Windows 11 users, use Windows Subsystem for Android. For Mac users, use Android Studio Emulator and mirroring tools. For low-end PC, use cloud streaming or web apps. For privacy, use USB mirroring or WSA apps. Choosing the right methods depends on what you want: the speed, the simplicity, performance, or privacy. Before you start using Android apps on your computer, let's talk about security, because your data, account, and privacy matters. Download only from official sites. Avoid random download links from blogs, pop-ups, or ads. Avoid cracked or modded software. They often contain hidden malware. Use a separate Google account for emulators. This protects your main email and data if anything goes wrong. Check app permissions carefully. Avoid granting SMS or accessibility permissions. Keep software updated. Security patches fixes vulnerabilities hackers use. Enable two-factor authentication. With two-factor authentication, even if someone steals your password, they can't log in. Use USB instead of Wi-Fi when possible. This reduces the risk of interception on public networks. Beware of screen recording on public networks. Some fake emulators secretly record your screen or keystrokes. Use antivirus and firewall protection. Don't grant root access. You can only use root access if you understand the risk involved. Log out when using shared computers. Following these simple steps keeps your accounts safe while using Android apps on your computer. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.